best power to weight ratios of any production vehicle ever, which is awesome because power to weight ratio is really where the magic happens when it comes to performance. It's not sheer horsepower alone, but rather how that horsepower corresponds to the weight of the vehicle. Now we're not going to short you on the horsepower. It's going to pump out over 600 horsepower. We've got a 3.5 liter twin turbo next generation V6 EcoBoost engine under the hood, or rather the mid-mount of this supercar. And that uses, again, those twin turbos and both port and direct injection. So it's going to pump out over 600 horsepower. We're going to make that engine with a 7-speed dual clutch paddle shift transmission for near instantaneous gear changes and exceptional power control. The whole chassis is on a racing style torsion bar with pushrod suspension, and it's got fully active inboard dampers and adjustable ride height. Now, as you guys can see, this is one beautiful vehicle, but it was not made purely for aesthetics. It was made for aerodynamic efficiency. So every feature has a function, every inlet has an outlet. Our nostrils up at the front here are actually cooling the radiator. We've got air curtains built into the body of the vehicle. Our flying buttresses here are actually pulling air into the engine compartment, and then the side hubs have vents, and those are cooling off those intercoolers, so cool off the air for those turbos, and then the air gets extracted out here through the tail lights. Then we have this power deployable spoiler, so this guy can adjust his height and pitch angle depending on driver input and driving performance, and it can go almost completely vertical in the back there to act as an air brake. We have 20-inch aluminum wheels. They're wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires that were made specifically for the GT. And you can see through those 20-inch wheels to our massive Brembo carbon ceramic brake.